Imagine this. You're holding money, but not cash, not coins, not even crypto. You're holding the power of a country's economy in your hands. Sounds insane? That's exactly what happens when you trade in Forex. But wait, if it's just money being traded, what's the real thing behind these trades? Is it just numbers on a screen? Or are you unknowingly betting on the future of entire nations? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what is traded in Forex, how it's more than just currency, and why understanding this could be your first step toward becoming a serious trader. And if you don't even fully get what Forex is, don't worry. Watch my 1-minute breakdown in the first video. I'll link it at the end. Ready? Let's decode this. In the simplest terms, what's traded in Forex is money, specifically currencies. But you're not buying a physical object like gold or oil. You're buying value. Here's an analogy. Think of a country as a company and its currency as a share of that company. When you buy Japanese yen, it's like buying shares in Japan. You're betting that Japan's economy is strong or getting stronger. If you're right and the yen gains value, you profit when you sell. So in reality, you're not just trading money, you're trading confidence in countries, their stability, and their future. Now let's talk about which currencies are actually traded the most. We call these the major currencies, and they include USD, US dollar, BUC, UR, Euro, Fiber, JAI, Japanese yen, yen, GOOB, British pound, cable, franc, Swiss franc, Swissy, Australian dollar, Aussie, New Zealand dollar, Kiwi, CAD, Canadian dollar, Loonie. These 8 are the most liquid, most active, and most watched currencies globally. Why? Because they belong to economically powerful nations. So when you hear traders talking about major pairs, it's mostly combos of these 8. Here's a cool detail. Every currency code has 3 letters. The first 2 are the country, and the last is the currency. Like New Zealand, New Zealand, D, dollar. And just for fun, did you know the US dollar is also called greenback, cheddar, loot, and even cocoa in Peru? So yeah, money talks. But in Forex, it screams economics, politics, and opportunity. Now that you know what's traded in Forex, you might realize it's not just about charts and candles. It's about understanding economies, betting on nations' futures, and recognizing patterns in how the world works. So what's next? In the next video, I'll show you how currencies are actually paired and traded, because you never trade a currency alone. It's always one versus another. Click over to that video right now to unlock the next part of the journey. And if you're still unsure what Forex even is or why it matters, my first video breaks it down in under 1 minute. Either way, don't stop here, because each step makes you a better trader, and this is just day 2. See you in the next.